Today's lesson is 5.2, multiplying by multiples of 10 and 100. Today you will be able to identify patterns that occur when the same one-digit number is multiplied by multiples of 10 and 100. Find these products using any method you want. So in your notes, I want you to go ahead and write 3 times 4, 3 times 40, and 3 times 400. Yesterday's lesson in 5.1, we learned that we start by multiplying our non-zero digits, and we can put our zero in on the end. When we look at numbers like this, we are using our basic facts, the numbers on our multiplication charts. We're using those numbers in order to solve. So I start by solving 3 times 4, and I get 12. I do the same thing in my next problem, 3 times 4, but this one's not complete because I have to remember to bring that zero in on the end. Again, you should be solving these in your notes as well. So again, 3 times 4, which gives me 12. And I put 2 zeros on the end for that one. So we're noticing a pattern whenever I multiply by multiples of 10 and 100. All I'm really focusing on is the number of zeros that I'm adding on to the end of my equations or my answers. In your notes, I would like for you to go ahead and write in both of these problems that we will solve. 7 times 70. Be sure to write in the explanation. So just in case you forget at some point, you can go back and look through this part in your notes as well. 7 times 70. To solve, you will first multiply 7 times 7 to get your answer of 49. So again, I started with those non-zero digits. And then you write 1 0 after 49 to give you your actual answer of 490. Again, in your notes, I do want you to actually write down all of this part right here. Now go ahead and try 7 times 30. You'll solve by first multiplying 7 times 3, again, your non-zero digits, and you get 21. Then you write 1 0 after 21 to get your final answer of 210. In your notes today, I do want you to actually solve all of these 1 through 6, but we're going to start doing 1 and 2 together, so you'll really only need to complete the bottom 4 together in your notes. Not together, but you'll need to complete those in your notes. So for number 1, we've already solved this one, but let's review. 7 times 7 gave me the answer of 49, but I'm not done until I make sure that I bring that 0 back on the end. On number 2, I start by using my multiplication facts of 7 times 2, which would give me 14. But I'm not done until I brought all the zeros from the equation back into my answer to give me 1,400. In your notes, please complete 3, 4, 5, and 6 and have them ready to share.